Many English movies use special expressions that native speakers understand immediately, but English learners often miss the meaning. In today's lesson, you will learn some of the most common movie phrases. For each phrase, I will explain the meaning, and then give you simple examples so that you can understand exactly how native speakers use them. Let's begin. They're on our tail. This is a very common phrase in action movies. They're on our tail means someone is following us very closely. Examples: drive faster. They're on our tail. Drive faster. The people chasing us are very close behind us. I have an alibi. This is a very useful phrase in crime stories. I have an alibi means I can prove that I was somewhere else when the crime happened. Example: I have an alibi. I was at work when the robbery happened. I can prove I was at work when the robbery happened. He posted bail. This phrase is often heard in police and courtroom movies. He posted bail means he paid money to leave jail before his court case. Example: his family helped him post bail yesterday. His family paid money so he could leave jail yesterday. He's out on parole. This phrase appears in many crime dramas. He's out on parole means he was released from prison early but must follow certain rules. Example: he's out on parole and must report to an officer every week. He left prison early and must meet an officer every week. It's not what it looks like. You will hear this phrase in many drama and comedy movies. It's not what it looks like means the situation is different from what you think. Example: please listen to me. It's not what it looks like. Please listen to me. The situation is not what you think it is. You have the wrong guy. This is a very common phrase in crime movies. You have the wrong guy means I am not the person who committed the crime. Example: officer, you have the wrong guy. I was not even in the city that day. Officer, I am not the criminal. I was somewhere else that day. Something's not right. This is a very common phrase in thriller movies. Something's not right means there seems to be a problem, or something feels wrong. Example: the door is open, but nobody is home. Something's not right. The situation feels strange, and something may be wrong. I feel like we're being watched. This phrase creates suspense and mystery. I feel like we're being watched means I think someone may be secretly observing us. Example: this street is empty, but I feel like we're being watched. I think someone may be secretly looking at us. I think we should split up. Characters often say this when they are searching for something. I think we should split up means we should separate and go in different directions. Example: let's search the house faster. I think we should split up. We should go in different directions to search more quickly. Whatever you do, don't look back. This is a classic horror movie phrase. Whatever you do, don't look back means do not turn around no matter what happens. Example: keep running, and whatever you do, don't look back. Keep running and do not turn around. Hey, get down! You will hear this phrase in many action scenes. Get down means move your body lower to stay safe. Example: get down! Something is flying toward us. Move lower quickly! Something dangerous is coming toward us. Look out! This is one of the most useful movie phrases. Look out means be careful because danger is coming. Example: look out! A car is coming. Be careful. A car is coming toward you. Are you hit? You will often hear this after a fight or dangerous situation. Are you hit? Means are you injured or hurt? Example: are you hit? I saw you fall. Are you hurt? I saw you fall down. There's something you should know. This phrase usually introduces important information. There's something you should know means I need to tell you something important, and it is often serious news. Example: before we continue, there's something you should know. Before we continue, I need to tell you something important. I can't do this anymore. This is a very emotional phrase. I can't do this anymore means I cannot continue because the situation has become too difficult or stressful. Example: I've been working day and night. I can't do this anymore. I have been working too much. I cannot continue like this. You've crossed the line. This phrase is often used when someone behaves badly. You've crossed the line means you have gone too far and done something unacceptable. Example: making fun of my family is not okay. You've crossed the line. You went too far when you made fun of my family. This isn't over. This phrase often appears during arguments and conflicts. This isn't over means the conflict or problem will continue. Example, you may have won today, but this isn't over. You won today, but our conflict is not finished. Fantastic! Today you learned some of the most common phrases used in English movies. Now, the next time you watch an English movie, listen carefully for these phrases. They appear again and again in action movies, crime dramas, thrillers, and horror films. The more often you hear them, the easier they will become to understand.